Okay, so let's try to solve this question. So some of this question also, these are also straightforward and you don't even also need to waste more time. So looking at this question, says how many minutes are there in 4 days when 1 day is equal to 24 hours and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So what do you do in this kind of situation? Very straightforward. You want to determine how many minutes you have in what? In 4 days. So what do you do? So for determine how many hours do you have in 4 days. So that would be what? 4 times 24, and then whatever you have, multiply times what? The 60 minutes. So know the number of minutes you're going to be having what? In minutes you'll be having what? In 4 days. So times that, times 60. When you do that, your answer will be what? When you multiply this together, should be have what? 5760 minutes. That's going to be what? The minutes you're going to have in what? In 4 days. Very straightforward. Do you need to waste more time here? Do quick. 20 seconds, you are done. Move the minutes to what? To the next, and the remaining minutes you have on that particular question. Move to the next questions. Maybe some difficult question. Now let's go to this one. It said what? 37a plus b equals to c. The given equation relates to the positive numbers a, b, and c. Which equation correctly expresses b in terms of a and c? So what do you need to do? Now, they want you to make b the subject of the formula. So let's go ahead. So what do you have? Let's write the question again. We have 37a plus b equals to c. Now, this is what we are looking for. We want to make b the subject of the formula. So what can you do? You do what? That means you have to what? Take anything you see a and c have to be on one side, and b must be alone on the other side. So what do you do? So that means this will go to this side. So you're going to have what? B is equals to what? C. When positive crosses, it changes to what? Negative. So you have what? Negative what? 37. Sorry. 37a. Do we have anything like that? Yeah. So that's it. So that's your answer. So they just want you to make what? Make b the subject of the formula. So don't forget, send us any question you think you want us to, any topics you think you find so difficult. Let us know, or send any questions to us that you think you want us to explain better. We're going to solve it and then help you in that. Don't forget, PSAT exams are going to be happening between October and November this year for those in grade 8, 9, and 10. The best you can do right now is for you to schedule classes with us so that we can prep you and give you tips on how you can be able to succeed in those exams. Thank you very much. See you in our next questions. Bye.